So how was it?
It was very exciting.
Yes! Yes! See, when you have your, just leave it in, just put it part, in part.
Yeah.
See, then when you have your kids, I just want to be there when you got like the Bugatti or whatever you drive. See, that happens all the time. Even somebody will pull up in a minivan, and I'm like, "What are you doing, man?"
Running the minivan.
Yeah, like I'd say almost every time I drive. I guess people get a kick out of that. I mean, you never really. You wouldn't even make it. But it's either like back or forward, you know. But if you take it out of sport mode, then it doesn't do that. It's like the gear shift's totally different. It's much smoother, but it's not as loud. Oh. You're probably like, what? What is that?
Like, oh, it's me driving.
So here, now slow down, go all the way left. Let's see if you can do it without scraping. Oh yes! Oh yes! Figured I'd document this for historical purposes. So then when you get yours, you're like, oh, this thing is good. When we get going, you can paddle shift up.
And what?
These are paddle shifters.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Right here, these little things right here.
Oh, press it.
So right now it's here. Get on a little bit. Get a little gas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now you can hit this paddle up and then put it in a higher gear. Like once, just tap it. Here. So that watch your speed. So this paddle shifters will put it in a higher gear so it's not winding out because it's in race mode. And then it will automatically go down to fourth or second and first. Oh yeah, good times. Fourth and slide. Set this to so once again, they'll be like, you let him drive the Maserati? I'm like, yeah, man. Figure, why wait till you're 18?
Right.
And you want to take this to the prom? Jeez. See, he's not supposed to go around red. It's a red light. So when it turns green, you just floor it. No, I'm just kidding. We won't move. We'll just sit here and the tires will go bald.
Yeah, like I did last time.
Well, the Porsche drive's different because it starts in second. So in race mode, we're already in first. So it'll just dig in. You can get in that right one here. Just to the right of the screw. I told you when I was in the car, this guy behind me was like, "Give it some gas." It's hilarious. I cannot imagine driving electric car after this. And here you can hear like all the pops because it's bouncing off the walls. Oh, that's what it is. Some stores are. We got a store right now. It's doing slice sales. It's super big. Park, not in the street, so go, no, right over there, between those two, just park, look at that tree over there, turn there, and then just, watch the curves, jeez, and then just park it here. You can leave it on. And then it has electric e-brake.
Oh.
Alright. this isn't a car you get on in the corner. Because the traction control is like, well, yeah, don't get this. Like I just tapped it, just trying to pull out in front of somebody, and it just like spins the tires. It's ridiculous. Stay this right now. Get it! The cops are always like, waiting to see if you're gonna, like, you might act up. No, I'm driving to the station with this thing. Big spot for my dad. Just like, crazy driver, chicken. Come on, man. You guys can drive cars like that, please. Porsche, well, 0 to 60, the Porsche is faster by like 0.3 seconds, but the top end is 200. Top end is yeah. See, that happens all the time. Even somebody will pull up in a minivan, and I'm like, "What are you doing, man?"
Running the minivan.
Yeah, like I'd say almost every time I drive. I guess people get a kick out of that. I mean, you never really. My haircut the other week, and I was like, "Oh man, good thing I didn't bring this car." Just going over the railroad tracks, like you wouldn't even make it. But it's either like back or forward, you know. But if you take it out of sport mode, then it doesn't do that. It's like the gear shift's totally different. It's much smoother, but it's not as loud. Oh, yeah. They're probably like, what? What is that?
Like, oh, it's Reese driving.
So here, now slow down, go all the way left. Let's see if you can do it without scraping. You got to go and get closer to the curb, not too close. Closer, 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 and turn it.
A lot?
Yeah, and then you're gonna have to cut it all the way left.
Like right
Go
now?
slow, 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 but let it roll and turn as far as it'll go, or you won't make it up. It'll scrape. It seems weird. There you go.
God.
Yeah, that's the only way to get it up, or it'll scrape.
How do you know that? Are you experienced?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Because those ramps, the curb
I
ramps,
can't do this. You got me.
just pull it all the way up, and then I'll pull it in the garage.
Right there or like?
Just straight. I'll do like a 6-point turn to get it in. All right, so how was it?
It was very exciting.
Yes.
How do you take
See,
it?
when you have your, just leave it in. Just put it in park.
Yeah.
See, then when you have your kids, I just want to be there. When you got like the Bugatti or whatever you drive.